Handy Hudsonite here. Are you looking for a low-cost filter replacement for your refrigerator? I recently have been using the Kenmore filter replacements, and these have been excellent. We've been impressed with the water flow and the quality of the water coming out. I was previously using the Every Drop filter, which is also an excellent filter, and it is more expensive than this one. This is actually comes in a package of 2, so great cost. I'll have the link in the description below for where you can get it on Amazon, and so check it out there. If you forget how to replace your filter, I'm going to show you real quick here on my Whirlpool, and depending on the location of your filter, the principle behind this is the same, though there are some differences in the way that these filters do come out and are replaced. But be sure to also check out my other videos on refrigerators if you're curious to know about other issues that you might be encountering. So let's look at how to replace this. It's very quick, very easy, and I'm going to go through it, even though I'm not going to be replacing my filter with the brand new one because my other one's still good for a while. I'll take it out and put it in so that you can see the process. All right, in my particular Whirlpool model, the water filter is located in the upper right, but yours could be on the bottom of your refrigerator, or it could be in the center up at the top, or possibly another location. So consult your user manual to see where that's located. For this particular model, all you have to do is with this door, you just pull up and the filter's right here, and the filter should come right out. And as you can see, this is a Kenmore filter that I was just referring to. And these filters have these O-rings here. So you want to make sure to take the protective cap off when you take it out of the package. And then there's a guide here. You notice that there's actually some tabs right here. And then you see this other tab on the bottom. And this arrow here, it should line up with the arrow. So you just make sure the arrow is up like that. You want to make sure you get it in straight. And then as you push it in, the door will actually begin to close on its own. And then it'll just lock in place like that. So when you replace the filter, you want to make sure that you want to make sure to flush the water. They recommend flushing a couple of gallons of water at least, if not 4 gallons. You don't have to necessarily do that much, but that will do due diligence in making sure you get all the impurities out and get the air out of the system. So take a container like this and just cycle the water through it. Now this is a pretty large container, so a couple of these containerfuls should be good to go for you as far as getting all of the impurities and the air out of the system. You also want to make sure to reset the filter light. Mine currently isn't on because my filter doesn't have to be replaced, but all you have to do is tap the options here. There'll be the filter reset, and then I would press confirm to reset the filter, but I'm not going to do that because it would throw off my filter reset, and then it'll chime, and then you're done. So that's all there is to it, replacing your water filter in your refrigerator with this Kenmore low-cost water filter replacement. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or your experience with water filters. Be sure to check out my other videos on refrigerators. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll be sure to see you in the next one.